I'm definitely gonna be the people's champion, but I just ain't gonna be the champ the way you want me to be the champ. I'm gonna be the champ the way I want to be.
Yeah, just chilling up here at Headwaters, Kayak shot. Yeah, see my man Bear, we here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Just working on a couple of yaks. You know, I'm part of the family now, so you know I can just walk wherever I need to walk. Yeah. What you think, folks, about the yaks? You look all set, like you ready. I need a helmet when I go out there. I do be catching them gorks, so. Boy, in that aqua blue right here, that aqua velvet, man. Call me Aquaman. I just came up with the damn Aquaman. Yeah, man, I'll have to call you boy Aquaman when you see me out there in this yak, baby. No, sitting here with Bam and Mike, putting the final touches. Oh, time to go get her wet. Hello, baby. Right off the assembly line. Hello, I'm going to roll you into greatness. How about touch this water? Gotta get some gas. Oh, you don't need no gas? What about some oil? You don't need none of that neither? Oh, thanks. Okay, cool. Where you at, in the gym? Where all them people coughing around you, putting your bag in the locker, asking the guy up front where the fresh towels at. I'm working out too, baby. Okay, this is what I'm out here for. Big slab crappies. You know, ski. Oh my gosh. In the yak. Oh my gosh, this is a tank. This is a gordita, right? Oh my gosh. Oh, the yak life, baby. Can't catch these sitting on the couch. Oh my gosh, what a trip. What a trip. All right, mama. Gee whiz. Oh, I'm ripping, baby.